A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is sustainability's true epicenter, individual health and wellness. Ladies and gentlemen, across continents and communities, sustainability has emerged as a universal mission, anchoring agendas, informing policies, and shaping aspirations for a better tomorrow. Yet, amid this global pursuit, an essential truth remains overlooked. The very core of sustainability is not merely the environment, nor institutions or policies, but the individual human being. Sustainability begins not in treaties but in lives. Until the health and wellness of every individual is made central, sustainability will remain a concept in motion, but not yet a movement of transformation. As the Bhagavad Gita gently imparts, true yoga is excellence in action. Such excellence is possible only when the one who acts is nourished in body, balanced in mind, and awakened in awareness. At the heart of every human being lies a fundamental instinct to survive, to feel secure, and to strive for a better life. Yet, for more than half the global population, these basics remain out of reach. Clean water, nutritious food, shelter, access to health care, dignified work, and mental peace. These are not luxuries, but the very building blocks of sustainability. In their absence, awareness dims. When the body is weakened and the mind burdened, there is little space for reflection, choice, or contribution to a larger cause. Without personal wellness, even the concept of sustainability can appear distant, abstract, or unreachable. Programs worldwide rightly address aspects of health, livelihoods, education, and well-being. However, these often operate in silos, disconnected from one another and from the deeper understanding that true sustainability is rooted in the empowerment of the individual. It is not only about surviving the present, but about being well enough to envision the future and to participate meaningfully in shaping it. What's the way forward? A quiet shift in global thinking is needed, one that reorients the axis of sustainability around the individual. A global minimum charter for individual wellness can serve as a guiding framework, aligning all public and private initiatives to a single unifying question: does this act enhance the basic health, dignity, and reflective capacity of the individual? This is not merely a health agenda, it is a consciousness agenda. An individual who is well has the capacity to think, to care, and to act with discernment. Once individuals are awakened through wellness, the mission of sustainability ceases to be a policy. It becomes a personal calling, spreading from person to family, to community, and to the planet itself. Sustainability, thus reframed, becomes the answer to nearly every modern crisis: social unrest, environmental degradation, mental health decline, economic disparity, not because it addresses all directly, but because it nurtures the source of all solutions, the aware human being. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the divine intelligence that crafted life on earth endowed human beings not only with survival instincts but with the power to think, to choose, and to uplift. Nature, in its grace, supports all forms of life quietly, selflessly. What it seeks in return is not conquest but conscious stewardship. As the Bhagavad Gita offers a guiding principle for those with the ability to influence and lead: whatever the noble do, others follow. Whatever standard they set, the world pursues. When those with insight, means, and responsibility turn their gaze to the wellness of the individual, a silent revolution begins. One where sustainability is no longer driven but lived. One where every human being becomes a carrier of change, not through force but through awareness. In making individuals sustainable, the planet too shall thrive. And in aligning with this truth, humanity shall honor not only its own potential but the sacred rhythm of the cosmos itself. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.